Hello machinists! I'm Shogo Nakamura from Nakamura-Tome. Today I will show you our new machine, anti-flex, for you. I'm now in Nakamura-Tome booth at the gym top. So it's very crowded and this machine was interested by many customers. This is our new frontier. Do you have such experience? In the factory you have the workpiece. The workpiece made by mass production. But recently, the amount of workpiece is reducing. So you need to deal with multiple type of workpiece. Now you need to get a new job and you got the drawing and you check it. And then the new workpiece doesn't fit existing machine. So you gave up to get a new job. So we visit the manufactory, lot of such customer voice I can hear. Okay everybody, anti-flex, new solution for these tasks. Anti-flex main concept, compact meets flexibility. Look at this compact floor space. This is a bar machine, bar capacity 32, 38 diameter wise. And then put the bar heater here. So it's more important this depth from front to back than this width. Okay everybody, very compact machine. By this compact space, this machine anti-flex can make more than 100 type of workpiece. It's amazing. So please look at this workpiece. This is a totally different shape to workpiece. So this is a semiconductor sample workpiece, right? It's very precise, turning and mirroring. And then this is a shaft workpiece, very long and have the many process, turning and pocket, live tooling and threading and spline shape. These totally different shape of workpiece made by just one multitasking machine. So let's take a look inside the machine. Open up. So please look at the two turret, up and lower, and left and right two spindle. This is a two spindle and two turret machine. And upper turret have y-axis. And these both turret can travel left and right spindle. So you can do simultaneous machine up and lower, simultaneous machine left and right, to shorten the cycle time, make more and more workpiece. And then everybody, okay, let's show time. So this is the turning shape here. The cutting there 3 millimeter and feed rate 0.4. It's high machining condition. Wow, it's amazing. It's great sound of machining and good cutting chips, low vibration, perfect. So in this compact machine have the great capability of machining. That's very nice. It means you can deal with difficult cut material also. In such high cutting load machining, very stable, you can deal with difficult cut material like titanium, hasteroid, Inconel, or hard stainless steel, like that. Or you can do hard turning on heated material also. So big capability, everybody. And next is a milling operation here. And this is square shape. And we do flat live tooling here. Okay everybody, please look at this stable milling operation. We use a 12 millimeter diameter wise end mill, and then X direction cutting depth is 3.5 millimeter, and then one machining pass for roughing. If you use small capability of milling, you need to divide 2 machining pass for roughing. But our machine can do stable milling by 1 machining pass. And then, so short time for high-speed milling. In this machine, in compact turret, you can use 10,000 RPM. So by 10,000 RPM, we do chamfering here. If you touch this workpiece, your hand was not injured. And because we do chamfering by machine, normally chamfering is by human operation, by your hand. In machine, so we always offer high-speed milling chamfering by 10,000 RPM. This is one proposal for automation. So everybody, finally, so long shaft workpiece. In this workpiece, we use lower turret center support, and we do also spline shape here in anti-flex. So spline shape, we use a T-slot cutter. T-slot cutter rotate by milling rotation. In this machine, this compact anti-flex have the great capability of milling. So if you do make spline shape, it's very stable. Now you understand the great capability of machining. So next is the setup. Setup is a tough job. Let's get rid of it. So If you stand up in front of machine, you can easily access to the turret, easily access to the workpiece, right? And in the system automatic race, it's a great machine. But for deal with multiple type of workpiece, you need setup. So in the small machine, in narrow space, you extend the arm and sometimes scratch arm, or so you need to open the cover, get rid of the cover, and access. That is too tough. Our anti-flex easy to access everything inside the machine. This anti-flex have the 52 on both turret. 52. We cannot imagine. It's like small ATC machine. It's a small machine center tool capability. It's great. So please look at that. These one station have the 4 tool. We developed the special holder and you can use. In this process, we utilize Y-axis very well. Y-axis travel and then change the tool. It's very smart idea. So chip to chip time is very fast. 0.2 seconds. 0.2 second chip to chip. Can you imagine? Okay, then next. Also, the ChronoCut. ChronoCut, our unique technology to shorten the idle time and keep accuracy. So look at this index speed. From station to station, less than 0.5 seconds. Very high speed indexing. Please look at this workpiece again. How long does it take change the tool from this workpiece to this workpiece? How long? I can say 0 seconds, 0 minutes, 0 hours. So we put all the tool needed for these two workpieces. We don't need to exchange the tool. This is a permanent tooling. If we change the tool, we always offer quick change holder, quick change tool. So for example, when you change the insert, when you change the type of this turning byte, it's one touch setup. So just you use a special tool and set up just 10 seconds. It's very easy. So now I can hear a voice. Okay, how about programming? Programming is so tough job. Okay, so everybody, this is a new control system, NT Smart XS. NT Smart X is Nakamura-Tome brand controller. Customer love it. And now NT Smart XS is a new control system and very simple, easy to use. So this is a new conversational programming software. Okay, I will make the turning process on this program system. For example, just we input information, no need to memorize Z code, M code, right? It's easy to make the program. And for example, we input the information like that. You can easily to see the 3D model of complete workpiece. And then we can see machining pass. Wow, it's very nice. Okay, everybody. And then, okay, if I do mistake, so Z-axis geometry like that, so we can easily to see our error of machining pass. Okay, then fix it. Perfect. And then, please look at this process edit screen. We can see all process we make, multitasking machine, multitasking race, that have a lot of process and a lot of program process. And this is very nice. If you memorize all of process, you need to have the big brain. But NT Smart XS is your brain. Easy to see and you can edit here. So let's drag and drop here. Okay, easy to move the process. And then, so we can show also cycle time here. And left and right spindle cycle time balance is very important. Left spindle is longer than right spindle. So we drag and drop and move the process from left to right. And then up and lower balance of process are very important. Upper turret have a lot of process. Okay, we move this turning process, move to lower. And great point, inside the program, the M code is automatically switched. We don't need to memorize 100 type of M code. Waiting code, at that time we need to insert waiting code. So in this screen, you can put waiting code. It's super easy. Okay, everybody. Our target is anyone can make professional level programming. This is a revolution. Finally, one more. Please stand up in front of machine. You can see the bottom of this machine. Chip conveyor here, and can you see the big gate for chip conveyor? Cutting chips easily drop to chip conveyor. Nakamura-Tome always designed the machine so like you, it's close to operator. our mind is very close to operator. So, and long cutting chips divided into small pieces. What's the technique? Oscillation cutting. Oscillation cutting is standard for this machine. So the tool swivel and make characteristic tool pass and make air cut and long chip cutting to small pieces. Great technology. In this machine standard, if you install the machine, you can use oscillation cutting from day one. Okay, everybody, 3 points. 1, compact floor space, great capability of machining. 2, super easy setup and programming. And 3, great chip management and easy to use machine. So I hope you enjoy the concept compact meets flexibility, anti-flex, and cut the burden of manufacturing and create a wow people can enjoy manufacturing. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and press high rating. See you, machinist!